Come test drive the 2017 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, luggage rack, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.